Good news everyone. We glad to introduce you a Cannondale Althea 3 2020 model year. Dirt one day, road the next. Althea is built to thrive wherever your adventure leads. This bike equipped with a SmartForm C2 Alloy frame and reliable fork SR Suntour NEX with lockout. And Shimano Altus high-quality derailleur makes it easy to overcome any terrain. There are brakes on the bike such as Shimano MT200 Hydro Disc. Cannondale Althea 3 equipped with good tires Kenda Piedmount. I think this is a great choice for amateurs and professionals. Drive in pleasure. Do you like this video? Please follow the link in description or on the video to view the details. And subscribe to the channel.